Okay, on this sorting subject in Excel, we're going to use the sort function. And we have here in this worksheet is quite a medium-sized table here. It's about, say, about 60 records, 70 records. And this table is a parts inventory table with parts number. The number is not identical, so it will differ. And each part have its own type code. Each part have its own department usage code with numbers here is department 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each part have a cost, and each part have a quantity. And in the end, we'll have total value from cost multiplied with quantity. Okay, so we have the total value of our parts inventory. Now, to sort the data, you need to select the whole table either manually or using a mouse, keyboard, or keyboard shortcuts. Second, you need to open the data ribbon and choose the sort. There's easy sort and multiple level sort. We will talk about multiple level sort here. It will open a sort dialog box if we click on the multiple level here. And in this dialog box, we have few buttons, which is to add level, to delete level, to copy a selected level, to rearrange the level priority, and set whether it has a header or not. And we can even change the option to sort by case sensitive, big A or lower A is different, or we want to change the sorting to sort by top to bottom or left to right. The default is top to bottom. Top to bottom is vertical table, such as our data here. Left to right is for horizontal table. It's less common, but sometimes we have horizontal tables. Okay. Now, we're going to use this configuration as in the screen, and I will show it to you. So to select the whole table, I can manually click from A5, click and drag until the end, or I can just hold shift and then click again F84. But the most easiest way, of course, is I'll click on the blank spot first. I click one of the cell inside the table and I use Control A. It will automatically select the whole table. Now, let's sort it. Select the data ribbon. And then in the sort and filter categories, we have sort here. I'll show you first the easy short one. I'll click lowest to highest, click it. And you can see that because my cell that's selected is in department, it will sort it by department. This fast sorting is only for one level only. So it will become department 1, department 2, department 3, 4, 5. If I change Z to A, descending, then it will become department 5, department 4, department 3, department 2, and department 1. It really depends on which cell is the main selected cell, because the main selected cell for my case is C10, which is in department. It will sort by department. Let's change the condition, shall we? Okay, resume. Now, the cost will be sorted A to Z if I select the cell from the D column. Or if I select from the total value column, click one of the total value, Control A in your keyboard, and then A to Z. Now it's from 0 to higher value. So it's quite easy if you want to sort by one column only. But we're going to talk about multiple levels here. So after you select the table, let's click on the sort dialog box. Click this. And we can see here that my data has header is checked. because our data has header. It is part number, type, department, cost, quantity, and total value. If your data don't have header, don't select this. So we'll select this, and then we're going to sort it by, sorry, let's see, our example here is sort it by type, and sort it by cell values A to Z. So now I'm going to select sort by type. I will select sort by type and sort on cell values from A to Z. I click OK, and you can see that it will be sorted by type AB, AC, DB, DE, RT, and so forth. But it's only one level. Only one level. It's the same, just with the fast sorting. So we're going to try to change it to use multiple level. So in our config, we're going to use then department. See what happens here. So I'm clicking in again the sort, and the first sort priority is the type. So it will try to sort the type first. But as you can see in this left data, the department is still unsorted. The department is still randomly unsorted. I want it to be sorted also in the second level. So I click the add level, and then I choose the department from cell value A to Z. Click OK. Now you can see the data now. The type is still sorted first. This is the first priority. And then the second priority is the department. So it will sort department 1, department 2, department 3, and so on. Okay. And it will repeat the cycle. So the second type is AC here, and it will sort the department 1, department 2, department 3, and so on. It can have multiple sort level. I'll click it again. If you want to add, let's say in department 1, we'll sort by type, then department, then by total quantity descending. So I'll add level again. Okay. And then I'll choose the total quantity from largest to smallest. But this is wrong. The quantity is in the middle, sir. So we can use this button now to set move up or move down priority. I click the quantity and I click the move down priority. So we have this positional is the first is type priority, the second priority is department, the third priority is quantity. Okay, I click OK, and you can see now that after it sorts the type, it will then sort the department. After it sorts the department, it will then try to sort the quantity. The higher quantity is put on the higher rows. On the department 2, you can see here, it will be 16, 12, 4. In department 3, because there's only one, it is cannot be sorted furthermore. In department 4 here, we have sort the quantity like this. Okay, that's to use the sort. And you can even combine it with using conditional formatting. So let's say that I want the cost with conditional formatting. The conditional formatting will highlight the cost that is greater than, let's say, greater than $50 with light red fill. Okay. So now we have data that have conditional formatting. Now I click on the whole table again, and then I select data, and then I select sort. This time I want to sort it by department and then by the color of the cost. So I will delete this sort by type, click the first row and then click delete, and then sort by quantity, and then I choose, oh no, it doesn't need delete, but I just change it to cost, sort on cell color, okay, with the red cell color on top or on bottom. Let's say I want it on top. Click OK. Now it will try to sort it first by department, like this, and then it will try to put the higher costs above. Of course, you can also say, sir, we can just use multiple level. Yes, but I'm just trying to give you the example that you can combine conditional formatting with the multi-level sort. That's it for the sorting.